how to add Instagram highlight without posting to story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to add Instagram highlight without posting to story? Then I just have the right trick for you. Technically, it's not exactly possible to add to your Instagram highlight without posting, but there is a workaround. So go to add to your story option, and there you'll find settings on the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on it, and there tap on story. There you'll find hide story from. So what you can do is tap on it and then hide all the people in your list. Now tap on done and then come back, and you have to add to your story. So you can add to your story. However, since you have hidden all the people, no one will see your story. So you can even leave it for 24 hours, but no one will see it. And then you can go to your profile settings on the bottom right and then tap on the three lines and then go to your archive, and there you can find the story you just posted and then add it to your highlights. So after adding it to your highlights, you can just make sure that you unhide all the followers and they will be able to see your highlights. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.